mustache friend is going. Go, Mr. Mustache, go! He's gonna edit all this out. Actually sounds really good.
Ready? I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away.
Oh my Lord.
Alright, you ready? We'll do it again.
Yes.
Hi everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind that camera is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake has many things to say. Go ahead and say them, Jake.
I'll say them. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm going to put the phone number above Chris's head. Look, there it is. Remember it, write it down, call us about this amazing C10 or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time, and also like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help us help Chris, help me help you. And when you subscribe, hit the bell because then you get notified when we make cool stuff like this. Also, if you want full photo sets of all of our cars, interior, exterior, engine bay, undercarriage, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com. You can get all sorts of information there, pricing and specs. Go there, but for now, Chris is going to tell you about this awesome truck.
It's a 1969 Chevy C10. Very, very well done. I like a restoration that isn't too crazy. It's got four-wheel disc brakes, power, slotted rotors, rear and front, a nicely rebuilt small block V8, a 700 R4 3-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Oh yes, I said overdrive. It's got power steering, it's got air conditioning, which is awesome, and it's got a brand new gauge cluster. It's very, very nice. The interior is good. It's a split, it's a bench seat, but it's a split bench, but it's got the nice new cloth on it. This is this stronger cloth they make now, and it matches the interior. It looks really nice. It's like a really well done restoration.
And look at that wood bed.
Oh, well, we didn't even see the bed, did we? It's an 8-foot bed. But
Long
you can
bed.
carry drywall with you, and you got this nice wood here, and I really like the nice wood. Oh, gas cap.
Yep, the gas tank has been relocated to the back, so it's not sitting behind your seat in a very dangerous position.
Yes, I remember when that was on like 2020 or something as a kid. They said, oh my God, it's so dangerous to get in a rear collision. And they're right, it was. Now it's moved over here. A really nice restoration on a wonderful C10. Why don't we take it out for a spin, Jake?
Let's do it. There's your mic.
He's a little upset at me, ladies and gentlemen, because I like to tease him. And what am I teasing him about? Why don't you guys leave a message in the comments about what do you think I'm teasing Jake about today?
Oh,
Jake,
Lord.
drop my change.
Put the
All right.
put the truck in drive and look. Oh wait, you need to do a lever. There's a lever.
You're a lever.
Right there. Pull the thing down, the middle part. No, pull the middle. Pull the.
This.
Yes. There you go.
Oh, nice.
Now we have an armrest and cup holders. And look, storage.
And you know what's really nice about this? So, as anybody knows, old Chevys had two keys, a square key to start and a round key to open the doors. Not anymore. We've got one key to rule them all.
Nice.
I do like that. It's a nice little thing.
We also have a nice Pioneer head unit down here, and some air controls down there.
Because we have air conditioning, buddy boy. And it's nice. Oh, yes, we do.
That's my seatbelt. Oh, we have seatbelts. We should probably put
Do we have
those
real
on.
ones?
Yeah, we have real seatbelts.
Oh, shoot. I might as well use them.
Where's the bottom part of my seatbelt? Ask a lot of great questions. Oh my goodness, there's more storage.
All right,
Look, this thing opens up
That looks
too.
like it's a, you know what that looks, is that plastic?
Yeah, it's like a plastic.
It's like,
a
you
cooler.
Can put like a, yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I don't know where the bottom part of my seatbelt, oh, I found it. It's way in there. It's way in there. Hold on. That's not it.
It's for the middle guy.
That's for the middle guy.
Somewhere behind me, good. I love to watch all this on the YouTube. Oh, there it is. All right, people. All right, people. All right.
I'm getting there.
Who's going to be the safest first?
I don't think this is for this, but...
I'm done. I'm finished, but I'm not on it anymore. I'm out of the contest.
All right, we're belted in.
I mean, you're belted in.
I am. Oh, you're not belted in.
No, I've given up a long time ago. Look at the AC. Feel it. Love it.
I do feel the AC, and it's very nice. And I do like the gauges.
They're nice.
The white gauges over there, very cool, and all the chrome around everything. Kind of an updated dashboard.
We did this in the wrong time.
Yeah, it's very busy.
Why?
We don't usually do videos during rush hour, but today we made this mistake.
Well, it's all right. We're going to make this mistake from time to time. Everyone will have to deal with it.
Also, the gauges were designed by a dolphin.
But I don't think a real porpoise or a bottlenose dolphin. Oh, by the way, the color is a silver blue, and this is from the BMW line of colors, apparently, the paint.
Yeah, that's what the Gers told us.
If the Gers says it, it's like coming from God to Gers to us. That's how we do it.
The Gers is our GM, by the way, Chris Gersman. He said
it's
this
not
was
Jim, it's a general manager. Jim Gers.
Jim Gers. Our GM, Jim
He's
Gers.
good people.
He is good people, but yes, he said this was a BMW color.
He loves BMWs, and who doesn't?
And when I said that these gauges were designed by a dolphin, it's because they're dolphin gauges.
They're dolphin gauges.
I was making one of those jokes.
Ah, the jokety jokes.
I like the hood.
Who doesn't like a nice hood? Look at that. It's beautiful, silver and blue.
Very nice. The dash is in good condition too. No cracks or anything.
No cracks.
And the headliner is not there.
There's no headliner.
It's just the metal roof.
Tin roof, rusting. No, it's not rusting. And that's from a song from the B-52s.
Tin roof rusting.
Love Shack, baby.
I hope I never get caught in a love shack with Chris DeBille.
Oh, well, that's never going to happen.
He can barely reach the air controls.
Oh, I'm going to reach your air controls there, Mr. Mustache. All right, now listen. We're driving along in our beautiful C10.
Grant wheel?
Very nice. Yeah, Grant wheel with a nice horn.
Nice.
I just love it.
I do like horns that work.
Actually, gosh, this drives really nice.
Also, the Gers also told us another thing. There's this power button up here, and that's your overdrive.
Oh, it is.
Apparently, when you hit that, every gear has an overdrive, and if you want to be peppy, you just turn that off.
So just to let you know, we were going about 50 miles an hour. We were barely pushing 1 grand with the power button on.
Yes, we're doing 1,500 RPM. Now we're doing about 1,200.
Yeah.
Nice. So it actually works.
It does, which is nice.
It is nice.
God, this drives nice.
It does drive really good.
I really like it.
It's not bumpy. It's pretty comfy. The seats are comfy.
Yes, I love the 4-wheel disc brakes.
Very cushiony.
Oh, yeah.
And you got a small block Chevrolet engine up there.
You can't go wrong with that.
It's the engine that has been running this country for
quite some time.
Almost 70 years.
I'd say. Boy, that's really feeling good.
I know. It's cold too.
Yes, I love cold air, but who doesn't? Especially when it's
the
hot.
devil himself.
Well, he loves the heat.
Yeah.
He can't get enough of it, that rat.
Other than that, everyone likes cold air.
Especially everyone in Florida. Well, I'll put St. Louis's humidity next to Florida's humidity any day of the week and twice on Sundays.
Yeah.
Gosh, it gets hot here.
It does get hot. Although today it was fine.
It's better, but let's not go crazy.
It was in the 80s.
Yeah. Oh, a review mirror. Nice.
And both side mirrors.
Oh, isn't that cool? Oh, yes. And this is a very well done redo. It really is. When they restore these cars, sometimes it gets a little bit crazy. Not this one. They did it perfectly.
This is the perfect keep it simple, stupid type build.
There you go.
You don't need a lot.
Keep it simple, stupid.
And we don't have the sliding window, but you do still have a window you can look out of and see that awesome bed.
It's an amazing bed.
The dark wood and the chrome stripping.
Pick up some drywall. Put it in the back.
It's kind of nice. I don't want to put drywall back there.
Well, you could.
You could, though. You absolutely could. And we're at a stop sign, which means a bean test.
Let's do it. Let's see what she's got with the AC on.
Probably not going to be a whole lot of beans, but there'll be plenty.
More than I need.
It's torque. A lot of torque.
Ooh, it makes some nice noises.
It does make nice noises.
But you know what it's quiet in here. It's actually a really nice, solid build.
Yeah, we put the windows up because the AC was on, and it's easy to talk to somebody in this thing.
Yes, it's not like the truck of 1969. I promise you it didn't drive this nice. Promise. Oh, I love power steering, love power brakes, love AC, like the color.
And we're at our spot.
Turn. Oh.
You have power steering?
We do.
Nice.
And power brakes. I told you. I'm not lying to you.
I don't listen to you.
I don't lie to you. I don't lie to girls either.
Goodness gracious.
All right. Here we go.
Ready for flybys?
We're doing flybys au plenty. And our mustache friend is going. Go, Mr. Mustache, go! He's gonna edit all this out. Actually sounds really good. As I mosey over here to get a great view of him coming down the track. Let's see if he runs me over. Sorry I made the noise, but I was excited about it. Perfect. White sounds good.
You didn't think I was going to be able to stop, did you?
I was getting nervous there for a minute, but I didn't
Good
give
thing
up
I
hope.
got power disc brakes. I could stop on a dime.
On a dime.
And these Dolphin gauges are nice. We even have an RPM gauge, even though it's an automatic.
I know, but it works great.
It goes to 8,000 RPM. Don't rev this engine to 8,000 RPM.
No.
Go to about 5.
I would say that.
But yeah, you got the nice head unit, the AC, cold, good oil pressure.
The floor is really nice. New carpeting on the floor.
I know,
Didn't even
carpet,
talk
floor
about it.
mats. I mean, fuel, gauge, everything works.
The
voltage.
silver and the chrome and the blue silver is amazing. It looks great.
It is really nice.
It's a beautiful truck. Why don't we head on back?
Let's go back.
Let's do it.